बच्चों सभी को शुभोदय। ये आपके चौधरी सर हैं, आपके पास आए आज के वीडियो क्लासेस से। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट a video classes after a long gap. So hope you are all are staying at home and staying safe. Okay. After this long gap, I think you have just not forgot. You have took a long gap for Hindi basics. Means this is not a regular language we will use in our house or other circumstances. So we do not use this language, we do not write this language anywhere. So we will get some gap for this language particularly when it is in a holidays. So we are going to start the basic things of the language Hindi, which is our national language also. So and you already know the importance of this language. Wherever you go in the country, you need this language. So we are going to start from the basic things of this language. For any language, basic thing will be its letters. तो हिंदी के लेटर्स को हम वर्णमाला कहते हैं। तो वर्णमाला, पहले हम वर्णमाला से शुरू करते हैं। We will start with वर्णमाला first. तो once see this heading, वर्णमाला. वर्ण means a letter, means एक अक्षर. So सारे वर्णों को, सभी लेटर्स को एक माला के रूप में, means like a garland, we will keep in a place that is called वर्णमाला. Okay, that is the meaning of this heading first. तो वर्णमाला में पहले आप जाते हैं साउंड्स. इनको साउंड्स कहते हैं, नो लेटर्स, बिकॉज दे वर्ण हम पहले सीखते हैं. द लेटर्स वी विल लर्न इन द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ एनी लैंग्वेज. दीज आर कॉल्ड स्वर. स्वर मीन्स these are the sounds, main basic sounds of the Hindi language. तो ये एक अक्षर कहा जाता है. अक्षर, अक्षर मीन्स हिंदी में इसका मीनिंग है, इन द हिंदी लैंग्वेज मीनिंग ऑफ अक्षर इज which cannot be divided into two parts. Means if you take this letter for example, you cannot divide this into two letters. So this is the single letter, this should be pronounced well, and which should be uses into the other letters, sounds. So akshar means the thing which you cannot divide into two parts. So we will start with a. So lot of members will do the mistake. I will say while writing this, lot of members write like this. This is a total wrong. You do not keep the line to this part of the letter. So only you have to keep here. This is the A. Okay. This is the letter which we start Hindi language with. This is the letter A, and next as a continuation of this, the Dirgh means the prolongation, means extension of the sound. The extension of this sound is A. So we will extend another line here. Here also you have to keep Shirorekha. This is called Shirorekha. The line you will keep above the letter is called Shirorekha. So this Shirorekha is the basic thing you have to keep to every Hindi letter. You do not have to forget to keep this line. So this is the extension of this sound A. Okay. So next letter we will come with is E. E. So E is this. first sound another first sound this is. So once I will say the strokes also to these letters. Strokes is first you have to draw a 3, a 1 and a straight line and another straight line. This is the strokes. You have to write Hindi letters like this. This one also should be same like this. Stroke 1, 2, 3, 4. Here the strokes are for E. First you have to draw a small straight line. Again you have to keep S, English letter S, and you have to keep like this and a shirorekha. These are the strokes. How you have to write a Hindi letter. Okay. Next, extension of this sound. E. The second extension of the sound is this one. A small curved line will come above this letter. It's a small curved line. You do not extend this to down, just till here. Okay, this is E. Okay, next, the easiest letter of Varnamala is U. U. You just need to draw a 3, number 3, and you have to keep a straight line like this. That is small U. Or Dirgha means extension of the sound. U. You have to draw a 3 like this and U. So Un means you will form a letter with, you will form a word with this. This is what? Un means wool. A bundle of a wool is called wool. Un. Okay. So this is the letter Un. U or Re. Lot of members will call this Aru. So lot of members do a mistake. That is, they will compare this Varnamala with Telugu. So I will say the difference. And now, how to pronounce this? Re means you do not have to pronounce this Aru. In Hindi it is restricted. You do not have to call this Aru. It is Re. It is Re. So the strokes for this letter, lot of numbers will confuse to write this letter. Keep a straight line. Keep it like this. And the third stroke here, and keep the last one is reverse of 3. Keep the 3 in reverse. This will complete the letter Re. Next letter is will be lot of members I said before. If you compare with Telugu, they will have 2 letters here. Aru. No, but in Hindi you will have only one real letter. So either it Al or Dirgha. Small or extension of the sound will contain only one letter, that is Re. And next we will straightly go to the letter A. So this is also a double sound when you compare with the language Telugu. So here this will give both sounds A and A. The strokes of this is keep the 2 lines like this. 3, 4. Very easy letter. If you remember this, you will write after listening this class very easily. And the next letter, I already told A and A are not here. Only one A which will be used for the both sounds A and A. Okay. Next, I. So small khadi means one line will be above a I. A small line will be kept here. This is I. Okay. So in matra, you will get a small confusion. I will clarify that. So I after O, the letter O. If you perfectly learn how to write these two letters A and R, then you will easily get the four letters from here. Okay, for your comfort, I will write this here. I is added there. Now O. Now you can clearly identify that the relation is between A and O. A small extension given to these letters and you formed O. And this is also a combined sound that gives O and O. Means two sounds we will use only this letter or OW. The second khadi will be used on the top of the letter O, OW. Next, a small dot on and two dots after the letter A, which gives you aha. Aha. Now you will find out these two letters are linked with this letter. If you write this letter perfectly, you will write these letters also very easily. Now there is a relation to these two letters with this. If you write this very well, you will write this two also very well. There's a small change of dots here. So that's why I written these four letters down these two letters. Okay. So this is all called swar. How many are here? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, these are 13 letters here. These are all called swar. In swar, we have 13 letters. Swar. What is the meaning of this word? So now we will compare now with the Telugu language. In Telugu language, A to Aha are called Achulu. In the same thing we are pasting here, those are called swar in Hindi. So swar are totally 13 letters. 13 letters, which are the base things of Hindi language. Okay, now we will move to the next letters. I think you are all clarified with the swar, these 13 letters, how to write, how to pronounce, and how to write this perfectly. Writing is everyone will do, but writing perfect is only the speciality of our Springboard students. So writing perfectly is much needed in particularly Hindi language, because a small error in writing which turns a letter into another letter, and that will become a big blunder when you are writing the words. So while writing the letters, you have to be much careful in Hindi especially. Okay, so here we have completed with swar 13 letters. Now we will go to the next letters of Varnamala. Now we will move to the next phase of Varnamala, the second phase of Varnamala, that is Vyanjan. That is called Vyanjan. The second phase of Varnamala will be called as Vyanjan. What is this Vyanjan? I have already told the names of the 13 letters which we have discussed before. Those are swar, means I said Achulu. Now what these will become? Yeah, that is correct. Hallulu. So in Telugu we will call this Kalulu, and this is व्यंजन in Hindi. तो व्यंजन में हम सीखते हैं पहले का. So this is Shiroreka. This is called Khadi. Khadi means a straight line which is inside the letter is called Khadi. So what is the importance of this Khadi? I will tell in the next classes. But you have to learn this. This is Khadi and this is Shiroreka. This is the letter Ka. And here in this Vyanjan, we do not extend the sound, we will give stress on the sound. We have given extended to the sound which we have learned in the swar. A. But in Vyanjan, we will give stress on the sound. Ka, kha. The stroke says the first we will draw a 2 like this, and we will draw a 1 like this, and between these two keep a 0, that is kha. Or this you have clearly observed that we have given the stress on the sound. Kha means a sound of ha is added to the letter before. Kha. And the next letter will come ga. Okay, this is the letter Ga. So we will have a word with this. This is Guy with the letter Ga. Guy means cow. We all know that cow. Cow means guy. We will get a word with this letter Ga. And as I said before, we have to give stress for the before letter to form the next letter in Vyanjan. So now we will give stress to Ga with including of Ha. What it will become? Gha. What it is? Gha. So, and be careful writing this letter especially because this is the first stroke and this is the second stroke. Now, when you are keeping the Shiroreka, start from here. It should be combined with these two. And I already told you this is Khadi. The straight line which is inside the letter is called Khadi. Okay? So this is Shiroreka. So be careful while writing this. Some of them will write like this. This is not Gha. It is a very wrong. We will get a letter in front in Vyanjan. Then I will say the difference clearly between this and that letter. Okay. Ka, kha, ga, gha. Now we will call this Inga. Lot of members will call this Inya. These are all wrong. You have to call this Inga. Okay. So Inga. Now we have to keep a straight line and an S is Shiroreka, and lot of numbers will keep here. Now the dot should not be here. This will become da. Now what we have to do for clear identification of Inga? You have to keep a dot after the letter, beside of the letter. To know clearly that is Inga, you will have a small and clear. This dot should be clear. A clear dot should be kept there for recognizing that is Inga. Okay? So we will have the next word. Means this is all called a verb, ka verb. Okay, a combination of these 5 letters will be called as ka verb. Means ka is the leader of this line. Okay, now we will move to the another word. So leader of this line is cha. Okay. While writing this also, we will have a lot of stroke mistakes. Stroke mistakes means like while writing, we will have some mistakes. How? I will say. They will start from here and they will end it here and they will write it and they will mix this here. This is not cha. It will become another letter which is called ya. So when you are writing cha, if the straight line is like here, you have to start between, means exact middle part. You have to check and you have to keep it there then. Okay? Exactly middle part should be the measurement to keep cha. Here see? Exactly middle. Okay, that should not be down and this should not be up. Okay, cha. And cha. Stress on the letter cha. Cha. Okay. So its stroke is this first. And a straight line and shirorekha. Cha. Cha. And ja. Next letter is ja. Ja. So you straight line and another kadi straight line. Ja. Ja means you will have a small word for this also. What is this? Aeroplane. But we will have a word for this in Hindi that is called jahaj. Jahaj. I told this because in this word we have repeated this letter 2 times. Ja, za again. Okay. Here jahaj. Jahaj means plane, aeroplane. Okay. So here we will have a correction for this. Jahaj means ship. Hawai jahaj. Hawai jahaj. Hawai jahaj means comes this aeroplane. Jahaj means ship. Okay, Hawai jahaj means aeroplane. Means jahaj means ship. The ship which flies in air is called aeroplane. That's why we have used this word here, Hawai jahaj. Cha cha, ja we have completed. Another one is stress on this letter ja. Ja. The stroke of this you will find out while writing. First you have to keep e. E, a straight line, a small link between these two, and shirorekha. Okay, this is called ja. Cha cha, ja cha, or ini. Ini. So cross u, a straight line and a link and shirorekha. Okay, till here we have completed the cha varg. Cha varg I already said. Varg means a set of 5 letters and its letter will be the first letter. This is cha varg. This is ka varg. Okay, we have 5 letters in ka varg, 5 letters in cha varg. Okay, so till today we will finish it up this, but from here onwards the important role of you will start. Means what I said today is swar 13 letters and vyanjan 10 letters. So these are the letters we have learned perfectly. I already told, perfectly writing is the main quality of a Supreme Court student. And another thing, so you have listened this class, you have listened very carefully, but when this will be useful to you, you do not have to write the letters everywhere. So this should be the theory part only. The practical part is you have to done, which should be done by you is the practical part. Means whenever you will write or read, you will not read the letters everywhere, you will read words. Okay, the second stage of a language is words, means shabd, padalu. Every language will contain the words after the letters. So now we will go to the shabd. So shabd is the keeping practice of words. So that practice will be the homework for you tomorrow. And here understand one thing, while doing the homework or for doing the homework, it is a helpful tool to do that work. That's it. This is class is a helping tool to your homework. Okay, and how much truthful you are doing this homework, I will leave that to your wish. నేను ఇచ్చిన ఈ హోంవర్క్ ని మీరు ఎంత నిజాయితీగా చేయాలి అన్నది నేను మీకే వదిలేస్తున్నటువంటి విషయం. సో ఈ హోంవర్క్ ని మీరు అండర్ యువర్ పేరెంట్స్ సర్వేలెన్స్, either if your parents are available to you, you can avail them, or if you are confident about this, you can do it on your own. Okay, the words on the whole swar I already told 13 letters a to aha. So a word on a letter means with a word, another word like this. So 13 in swar, or I already the homework will be is a word with every letter. I have already told the 23 letters to you. So 23 words you will get. So do that very truthfully and with your knowledge what I given today. Thank you.